last video, we have revised chapter 8 of history. Now in today's video, children, we are going to revise chapter 18 from geography. And our topic is latitudes. So let's get started.
Globe. You know that, children, our earth is a sphere. It is slightly flattened at the poles. The earth looks like an orange and slightly flat at the top and bottom. So the model showing the accurate shape of the earth is called a globe. Means what is globe? Globe is the model of the earth. We can see the shapes and sizes of the continents and oceans, distances and directions, etc. on the globe. You can see, children, the different continents, the 7 continents and the oceans also on the globe, like the Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America. Even the oceans also you can see. Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, etc. If you look at the globe, you will notice 2 sets of lines drawn on them. You can see the picture of globe. 2 sets of lines are there. One set of these lines run horizontally or in the east-west direction, while the other set of lines run vertically or in the north-south direction. So children, the lines run vertically, that is the longitude, and the lines which run horizontally, that is the latitudes. So today we'll revise the topic latitudes, where the lines run horizontally. Latitudes. Latitudes are drawn in the east-west direction between the 2 poles. They run parallel to the equator. The equator is an imaginary line dividing the earth into 2 hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Children, latitudes drawn in the east-west direction between the 2 poles. Which 2 poles? North pole and south pole. And they run parallel to the equator. This equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. Which 2 hemispheres? First is the northern hemisphere, second is the southern hemisphere. As these lines are drawn parallel to the equator, so they are called parallels of latitude. Children, this parallels of latitude will revise in the next video. But why it is called parallels of latitude? Because these lines are drawn parallel to the equator. That's why it is called parallels of latitude. The distance between these lines is always the same. Now, if we'll define the latitude, the answer is the angular distance north or south of the equator. That is the latitude. Or you can say angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. That is latitude. The latitude of the equator is supposed to be the 0 degree. That is in the center. Equator is in the center of the latitude, and that is supposed to be 0 degree. While that of the north pole is 90 degree north and that of the south pole is 90 degree south. The parallels of latitude to the north of the equator are known as north latitudes, and those to the south of the equator are known as south latitudes. So there are 90 lines to the north of the equator and 90 lines to the south of the equator. So in all, there are total 180 parallels of latitude. The angular distance from the equator is measured in degrees. Each degree is further divided into minutes and each minute into seconds. Children, all these points you can see here on the diagram also, on the picture of latitudes also. So what are the main points? Latitudes are drawn in the east-west direction. Largest latitude is the equator that divides the earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The total number of latitudes, parallels of latitudes are 180. So these are the points of latitudes. Next point that we are going to revise is the next topic is the importance of latitudes. Latitudes help us to determine location of places and their relative distances. Even they help, we can divide the earth also into heat zones with the help of latitudes. We can determine the general temperature and climate of a place with the help of latitudes. It helps us to form an idea about the vegetation and wildlife of a place. In short, we can say latitudes form an idea of the temperature of a place. With the help of latitudes, we can divide the earth into heat zones. With the help of latitudes, we can find out the distance of a place from the equator. Even latitudes help us to find out the exact location of a place. That is all about the importance of latitude. Latitudes are also known as parallels as they are circles parallel to the equator. All parallels except the poles are complete circles. Their circumference decreases gradually from the equator to the poles, where they are simply points, the North Pole and the South Pole. And we have already discussed this. The equator is the largest parallel latitude. So this is the importance of the latitudes. Now, according to these topics which we have revised, there are some one words. Angular distance of a place from the equator, that is latitude. Total parallels of latitudes are the 180. Largest latitude is the equator. Model showing the accurate shape of the earth is called a globe. Children, these are the 4 one words, and apart from these 4 one words, I'll give you one question also in the PDF file. What is the importance of latitudes? There also you will write answer in the points. Watch the video very carefully. And children, learn the answers also while writing. That's all for today. Be happy, be safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.